Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to test SOAP API request in Apache JMeter tool. This video is extension for my last video. There is a in my last video in same concept only, but I used for the uh, different application. I mean, it's a different URLs I used. There is some problem from server side. The URLs is not working. That reason only I created the another video. The topic is how to test SOAP API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, how you need to test. Okay, now I need to open to the JMeter tool. Go to the E drive and you need to open the JMeter. Go to bin. Okay, I will open the JMeter. You need to test in SOAP request. You need to first of all set up to the some small parameters. You need to add the thread group. Go to thread group. Under thread group you can add the agent request. Previously we called SOAPer XML RPS request for using SOAP file testing purpose, but it's already deprecated. That reason now you need to use the same protocol only, HTTP request. That protocol only will be used. Under you need to add the go to listeners view results tree. Okay, now you need to how you need to add you need to test the SOAP request. The method is called post method. You need to send some data to server and you need to get the response. You need to select the body also. Okay, now I need to open the browser. Just a minute, we'll open this one. Now you need to test the site is request and response site. Request and response API. Okay, you can see the site is https://raqres.in request and response. Okay, this is the site. Now I am using. You need to test both SOAP and REST. Okay, now I need to go to the method is called post. Okay, I will take this one. Create I will take it. You need to click on post now. Yeah, I automatically created. Okay, what you need to do now, first of all you need to copy this one URL, need to paste it. Go to side, you need to copy this one also and you need to paste it. You can see there is a double slashes now. You need to remove one slash. This is the URL. Now you need the data, body of data. You can go to and copy them. This is the response will become. Response code is 201. Response is its name is Morpheus. Job is leader. ID is 284. Created at some date will be came. Okay. This is the body of data. Okay. Yeah, this data is completed. Now what you need to do now, you need to copy this URL. You can go to JMeter. You need to paste. This is method is called HTTPS. You need to remember this will provide only HTTP only. You need to mention HTTPS and you need to copy this path. Okay, and go to this one and you need to paste it this body of data. Okay, just you need to save this one. SOAP API underscore 2. This is the 2 only. Okay, now I need to run and check. Yeah, you can see this SOAP request you need to execute now. It will take some time. Okay, this is only demo sites, guys. You need to use this one, but don't running from the load test, the type of one you don't run. This is not only to me, there are so many people will be using in 24/7, and the same time is a free of access only. That reason, don't run for any type of test, just for testing only you need to do. Okay, this is the way you need to test. You need to run for the load now, based on user load you need to run, but your real application only you need to do. This is only for testing purpose only. Okay, this is the way you need to test the in SOAP request. Generally how the applications will be came, no? There is one document will be sent to the development team. Otherwise you will send in some mails. Both are same only. Most of the time document only will be came Word document. In Word document will mention to the example SOAP file na. The SOAP file will be provided. This is very small file. You will sending to the very big files will be sending. And methods, post method, what type of one code will be accepted. Example, you need to go this one. You can see response code is came 201. Okay, the team only will mention 201 is accepted or something. 202, 203, sometimes that one also will accepted. You will mention clearly that report only. And you need to provide all the URLs and port numbers, content type, encoding types you need to mention, and all the data, which data you need to parameterize, all the things you need to do that one. And some situations you need to go to advanced and you need to provide this one implementation type. Most of the time you need to select the Java client, HTTP client 4. And some applications, any security breach, that type of one, you will mention the connection timeout also you need to mention, and response also. Okay, you need to select some. Sometimes this one also will use embedded, retrieve all embedded resources. Means what is this meaning now? You need to capture some different types of files, all the things you need to capture the request, and you need to get the response. That files also you need to loading time will be calculated, this one. And this one in general only you need to provide the your IP address or host name, device IP4 or 6, and is a process server, no? You need to provide the schema and server IP address, port number, username and password. And optional task is save response as MD5 hash. You need to use this one. That is based on your requirement, how the application you need to came to your place. Okay, based on your requirement, this all the features you need to use. But first of all you need to understand what feature, what type of work will be done. And the same time, old, I mean, so JMeter old versions also you need to learn. Okay, do not underestimate the old versions. Some projects, example, some clients what is thinking that there is some problems in newer versions. Not only from JMeter, all the software is also same only. Okay, sometimes some projects point of view it did not work to the newer versions. Old versions only support. Example, it's a 2.8, 2.9, 3.0, 3.2, that type of versions. That time you need to take that versions also. That reason you need to practice the 1 or 2 time old and new both of you. That time only you will get the better knowledge and better practice. Okay, this is, guys, this is the way you need to test the. First of all, you can check the dry run. this is everything from dry run only. Just you need to check your request is able to successfully working or not. Everything is working fine. After, you need to start the parameterization. What are the data and URLs you need to parameterize, or any location path, or any something details you need to parameterize. All the things now you need to done, and so file also all the test data you need to set up. What are the things in available in application, and development team will be sended, and you need to perform the start the test. Okay, means that is the user load also based on development team only will provide. Okay, and means the user load how we need to calculate now. The application is initial stage only will be developed. You need to run from minimum user load, 10 user load or 15. That's all. There is not running from higher level. But some applications it's already development enrollment and test or QA pre-prod, that environment now you need to run from. It's a very huge user load based on your hardware configuration, based on what type of test you executed. Okay, this all the parameters based only you need to perform the test. Okay, yeah, that is based on your requirement point only. You need to understand how the performance testing will be done, and what stage your application based on your client what is expecting from your side. Okay, this all the parameters based only you need to perform the test. But in SOAP testing na, yeah, this is only actually you don't have any application properly web services side. It's I'm not able to provide. This is only one application, requested response. Yeah, you also try this one. The site you can see it's a very small URL also. Yeah, this is the URL. Okay, you can type from reqres.in, that is enough. Okay, you can practice 1 or 2 times now. You also able to get how we need to work, and get, post, put, delete. Okay, all the methods how we need to work. Okay, that's all guys. Yeah, this is done. Means how to test SOAP API request in Apache JMeter tool. Thanks for everyone. I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much.